If you're unfamiliar with the word Alta, it's Italian for high or elevated. And honestly, there's no better name for a travel trailer that unapologetically raises the bar. Whether you're a thrill chaser looking for a toy hauler, a parent wrangling the chaos of a bunkhouse, or a couple chasing sunsets in rear living luxury, the East to West Alta has a layout for you. And it doesn't just show up, it shows off. Let's break it all down. The features inside and out, the construction that makes it rock solid, and what you'll need to tow this beast around the country. So buckle up and let's go. As soon as you step through the solid main entry steps and you're greeted with space, real vertical space, as most Alta models boast an 81-inch interior height. But if you've got a toy hauler that actually climbs to a soaring 96 inches. So you can breathe in here. While you're looking up, let's talk climate. Every Alta comes with a 15,000 BTU AC system with quick cool, and in larger models, you'll get 50 amp service ready to power a second AC. When it comes to heat, the standard 35,000 BTU furnace is more than capable. Add in an electric fireplace for ambient glow and extra warmth, and you've got a cozy cocoon even in the dead of winter. The black roller shades pull down to block out the world, and the flush floor slide-outs mean you're not catching toes or tripping over lips of poorly designed platforms. Residential-style linoleum flooring ties the whole space together, while the furniture lineup is exactly what you want after a day of hiking, biking, or doing absolutely nothing. Most models include a tri-fold easy-out sleeper sofa with theater seats available in some layouts or as an optional swap. For dining, most Alta models come with a 48-inch dinette with pull-out drawers, while others offer a freestanding dinette. And yes, toy haulers come with dual recliners, because rugged doesn't mean you don't get to recline in style. Entertainment? Covered. The 2-zone Bluetooth sound system pushes audio inside and out, and with USB charging ports scattered throughout, you'll never have to decide which device gets the juice. The Alta is cable and satellite ready with a high-def amplified antenna and Wi-Fi prep. Smart TVs are technically optional, but most models are ordered with one anyway, usually between 32 to 50 inches depending on the layout. So yeah, you're not exactly roughing it. Let's slide over to the kitchen where East to West isn't messing around. The solid pressed membrane countertops look sharp and take a beating. A deep undermount sink makes cleanup easy, and with a stainless steel drying rack and a high-rise spring spout faucet, you're not just camping, you're almost culinary. The fridge? It's a 10.7 cubic foot black glass 12-volt model in most floor plans, and heating things up is easy thanks to a microwave and a 3-burner range with an oven. Pantry space isn't a problem. Either you'll find a full-size pantry, a walk-in, even a hidden pantry behind the entertainment center. Yes, you read that right, hidden pantry. Oh, and one more thoughtful touch, many Alta floor plans include a built-in pet drawer because even your dog deserves better than a paper plate. Let's drift into the bedroom where most Alta models roll out the red carpet with a standard king bed, underbed storage, and flanking mirrored shirt closets with extra drawer space. In bedroom slide-out models with a king bed configuration, the entire front cap transforms into a wardrobe wall, giving you serious storage potential. You'll also find USB ports and outlets on either side of the bed, perfect for charging your phone or running a CPAP machine while you doom scroll yourself to sleep. Swinging into the bathroom, you'll find a space that feels clean, smart, and thankfully, not cramped. The residential size shower often comes with a skylight for extra headroom and natural light, and the multi-function shower wand means you're not stuck with a single weak trickle of water. The ABS tub surround is both durable and decorated with built-in shelves for your essentials. And every Alta includes a high-output tankless water heater, so if you're hooked up to city water, you've essentially got endless hot showers. Storage varies slightly by floor plan, but you'll generally get linen shelving, a mirrored medicine cabinet, and a porcelain foot flush toilet, which, if you've ever had to clean a plastic one, you'll know is a major upgrade. Step outside, and the power awning with LED lighting and auto dump greets you like a well-trained valet. It automatically sheds water so it doesn't collapse under the weight of a surprise downpour. You'll find pass-through storage that's finished and spacious, and in some models, there's even a second awning control switch inside that storage area. At the front, the powered tongue jack with LED light makes hitching and leveling easier, while decorative LED lighting adds both style and utility. Stability comes from 4-point power stabilizer jacks, and traction hits the ground with Goodyear tires mounted on aluminum rims. Select models include an outdoor kitchen, but every Alta includes a quick connect LP hookup so you can fire up your grill without dragging out a tangle of hoses. At the back, you'll find a ladder for roof access, rear observation camera prep, and a universal docking station that gives you access to water hookups, a hot and cold outside shower, black tank flush, and a battery disconnect, a small detail that in my opinion pays big dividends in battery life. As for solar, it's optional, but many Alta models are factory ordered with it. The standard solar package includes a 200-watt panel, 30-amp controller, and battery, but you can also opt for the West Coast package, which gives you a 400-watt panel, a second battery, and an optional 1800-watt pure sine wave inverter for added power flexibility. Let's talk construction, because pretty doesn't mean much if it falls apart after your first cross-country run. Alta starts at the top with an impressive 5-inch vacuum-bonded roof, then moves down to 2-inch laminated Asdel walls. Every model also includes an enclosed and heated underbelly, and there's a diamond plate rock guard up front to fend off road debris. Now, before you hitch one of these up and peel out of the parking lot, let's talk towing. So the Alta lineup spans a wide range, from about 23 to about 38.5 feet in length, with dry weights from around 4,000 to roughly 10,000 pounds. That means your tow vehicle definitely matters. If you're looking at an Alta on the lighter end, say up to 6,000 pounds dry, some mid-size SUVs like the Dodge Durango or Land Rover Discovery can do the job if properly equipped. Full-size SUVs like the Toyota Sequoia, Nissan Armada, or Chevy Tahoe will handle it even better, especially once you load it up with gear. For trucks, mid-size pickups like the Ford Ranger or Chevy Colorado are solid for mid-weight Altas. Now, once you get closer to the 10,000 pound mark, it's time to bring out the big guns. Full-size trucks like the Ford F-150, Chevy Silverado 1500, Ram 1500, or even the F-150 Lightning can haul these confidently. But always check your tow rating. You'll find it in your owner's manual, unless of course that manual's been used as fire starter. And in that case, just swing by a Camping World. They'll help you figure it out, and you can step inside an Alta while you're at it. So, are you ready to raise your expectations? The Alta isn't just a travel trailer, it's a lifestyle elevated.